Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on YouTube video. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now, if you're on YouTube and you wanted to listen to it basically in a different language, I'm going to walk you through the steps. It's pretty easy, so let's open up the YouTube app here. You can do this on iPhone, Android, computer, it doesn't matter. Now I'm just going to navigate to one of Mr. Beast's videos. Let's tap on this most recent video, and after it goes through this ad, I'll walk you through basically the process of changing the language. Now on here, keep in mind, not every video has the ability. So now that I'm in the regular video, here I can tap the gear icon at the top right, and now you can see towards the bottom is audio track. I can tap on that and I can easily change the language to a bunch of different options. You can see all of these different options. Maybe I want to change it over to Spanish, and then if I do that, you can see that basically I can just turn it up and now they're speaking in Spanish, a different language than they were before. Now keep in mind there are captions as well. You can change language for those. So you can tap the gear again at the top right here, and then you can see captions in English. I can tap on that and again choose all these different options if I wanted to change the captions to Spanish as well. Now keep in mind again, not every video has this for audio. Basically what they have to do is have somebody dub over in a different language for that video and then upload that. So usually only bigger channels have basically the budget to be able to do this. Captions are pretty easy because a lot of times those are automated. Basically the automation and translation to a different language all happens within YouTube. But in terms of having the audio in a different language, a lot of times it only works for bigger creators. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.